At some point, every solar owner says it. I'm going to start running things during the day. That might last about a week. Not because you're lazy, because you've been asked to plan around something you can't see coming. Well, the OnSun app lets you see your solar generation before it happens. It estimates what your roof will make hour by hour, up to 7 days ahead, so you know your good solar days before they arrive and avoid running too much on the bad ones. This week, the best day is Friday, 34 kilowatt hours, more than 1.5 times what it'll make the day after. And here's the part that actually matters. Every appliance uses power in a unique way. A dishwasher works in short bursts. An electric vehicle pulls a lot of power steadily for hours. The OnSun app matches the power profile to the window with the most sun on the days you're home. It even tells you how many hours to set your appliance's timer for. So load the dishwasher tonight and it runs in tomorrow's sun. You can watch exactly what that's worth. And if your good intentions fade, the app gives you a quiet nudge on that best day. Friday comes around and you're charging the car on the sunniest day of the week, knowing your washing and dishwasher already ran on solar. The app shows an estimate of what you saved and how much of your own power you used. Setup takes about a minute, where you live, the direction of your panels, and how big the system is. You've already got the solar, now let us help you put it to work. Find us on the Android and iOS stores today.